I've got the NoNaste Pet Stain and Odor Eliminator. It's an enzyme spray that's going to break down dog and cat urine. It also is going to get rid of stains. This carpet here is disgusting. The dogs just like to go pee here a lot. You soak the area up with the NoNaste spray and you let it sit for 10 minutes. Just saturate it and then come back, and then you're going to pat it dry. You can see how bad it looks there with the flashlight. You're supposed to just pat it dry and it's going to come out. Now, I decide to go ahead and do this one more time. It actually gets really clean. It's really, the carpet here is disgusting with all the urine and probably people walking in here. So I'm going to do it one more time. I'm really going to saturate it. I'm going to let it sit for an hour. I can already tell with what I've just done that the urine scent is gone, which is insane. So I saturated the carpet really well down to the padding. Let it sit for an hour. You really just blot this out. I'm going to blot it a little bit. I'm also going to wipe it down, and you're going to see how well it looks. It really did clean it up. The smell is gone. I had my wife come down who has better smelling than me, and she's like, it absolutely works. So the enzyme definitely kills the smell. Definitely check out NoNaste if you want to get rid of pet stains and odors.